Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a slice of pizza. Let's start off by drawing a long curve with a hook at the end for the crust. Then, start at the tip of the curve and go all the way out here for the tip of the pizza. Add some drippy waves for the cheese, and then go all the way back to the tip of the crust. From the tip of the crust, draw a line like so under the cheese for the base of the pizza, followed by a slightly curved line over here for the edge of the crust. Then you can add circles for pepperoni. Feel free to change up the toppings for your pizza and add whatever you like maybe some mushrooms and some bell peppers. And now you got a pizza!